Hey guys, welcome back. Today I thought I'd do a spend the day with me vlog. It's one of those kind of normal, kind of messy days at home, nothing super aesthetic, but I thought I'd bring you along anyway. This morning started out a little slower than usual. I hit the snooze button more than I should have, but here we are. I think I was saying here that it felt like a rainforest and my hair was really frizzy because it is very hot and humid where we are at. And I also wanted to share with you those dog treats. They're similar to bacon strips, and they're at Aldi, but they're half the price. So I was really excited to share those. Here I ended up getting a Target order delivered and wanted to show you a few things. I got the brand called Everspring, room sprays, lavender and bergamot, because I'm wanting to move away from the heavy aerosol sprays. And we had the Lysol lavender, and I liked the scent, so I wanted to keep on pace with that similar scent. I also got a perfume by Pacifica called Dream Moon. I do like it. It is a little muskier than I was expecting, but it is a really beautiful scent. And then I also got these Kiss Nude acrylic French tips, and I absolutely love those. Those are going to be my go-to at-home nails. I also got this bubble wash, bubble bath, body wash, shampoo, all the things, called by Everyone, and I believe it is EWC verified. I also got these sunglasses with the gold trim, some disposable forks, and some pull-ups. This morning started out a little slower than usual. I hit snooze more than I should have, but here we are. I made my coffee because nothing really happens before that, and tried to get the kitchen somewhat back in order from last night. There were still dishes in the sink, which honestly drives me nuts, but I didn't feel like doing them at 9 p.m., so here we are, morning dishes it is. After coffee and some breakfast chaos, I tackled the laundry. We're at the point where if I don't fold it now, it'll live in the laundry basket for the next 3 days. I also did a quick toy pickup. I swear I do this 14 times a day, and somehow it still looks like a tornado blew through, but that's just real life right now. Lunch today was very basic, leftovers for the win. I used the quiet moment after to jot down a few things in my planner and just kind of do a brain dump. I like to do that when I'm feeling overwhelmed and I have a lot of thoughts going on. I like to just get it all down on paper. Not even just on my phone, but definitely just with a pen and a paper makes me feel so much better. All right, I was gonna tidy up in the living room, but the kids are in there and I don't film the kids. And it's summer break, so it's hard to kind of like maneuver around them when I'm doing the videos. So I'm just gonna try to be where they're not. I washed and changed these all out yesterday, so I don't need to do it today.
a spot for them.
For dinner, I threw something easy together, nothing fancy. Honestly, some nights it's just about feeding everyone and cleaning up the aftermath. I did a little evening reset, wiped the counters, ran the dishwasher, lit a candle, and called it good enough. Once the kids were down, I finally had a moment to breathe. I did my nighttime skincare, nothing complicated, just trying to take care of myself a little, and tried to get some water in me as well. Turned on a little ambiance video, and just for a second tried to remind myself it's okay if not everything got done. Probably wasn't even recording. Those are the nude French tips that I put on, and I am in love with them. They are so nice. Definitely would recommend. So now I'm gonna do one of these. I think I'm gonna do this one because I said I was really excited about this. But should I wear my glasses with it? I don't know. I have not put anything on my skin today, so I'm just gonna do a quick cleanse of it with some of the micellar water. And I don't really wear mascara, so I don't really ever have to wipe that off. And again, this is the cryo mask from Sephora. Stop. It's silver. It looks like foil. It's like a horror film. It has to leave it on for 10 minutes. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Set a timer for 10 minutes. I'm just trying to get it up over my lips. Okay. Interesting. I recently got on the ChatGPT and asked it to create a meal plan for the month for us. And I thought it did really well. It gave me a grocery list, very basic recipes, kind of like bread the chicken, cook the chicken, here are your sides. But I liked that it created the meal plan. I asked for like a simple, healthy, family friendly meal plan, and it got very close to what we would normally eat. Now I'm just going to go through here and mark off what I already have in my pantry so that we're not overbuying and get the things that we are out of. These are the watermelon popsicles. Aren't they so cute? Oh my goodness. I just wanted to say thank you for hanging out with me today. It wasn't perfect, but it was real, and sometimes that's enough. If you like this kind of video, let me know in the comments or give it a like so I know to keep filming them. I will see you in the next one.